What's up, everybody, and welcome back. So I'm back on the road again. I'm in Alabama this time for the next 5 days. I'm still trying to stay on track, but I did things a little bit differently this time. Are you ready to do this? Let's get started. So anytime that I fly, since I travel so much, I am meticulous about my area, making sure that it's sanitary and stuff. So I always fly with some kind of sanitary wipe, some Clorox or Lysol wipes. I have gloves, multiple gloves. I actually travel with like a box of gloves, and I wipe everything from the headrest to the seatbelt to the actual you know, the window, because I lean up against that. Then I change my gloves out and I put on different gloves, and that's what I do when I'm on airplane. Into the rental car, I do the same thing. Basically, I clean their car. So, and when I get to the hotel, we're going to do the same thing. I actually travel with a second suitcase for sheets, a blanket, and my towel, all that. I'm just not playing. Plus, last time I was in Alabama, I broke out. I had an allergic reaction, and I had to get a steroid shot. I actually had to be on steroids for a week. I gained all the weight I had lost in the month of August back. I don't take unnecessary risk. You know, we are going to take all the precautions. Alright, so we're at Publix. I'm gonna get a couple things for food for the week. I don't plan on eating out while I'm down here. Like I said, I'm down here for about 5 days. Well, really 4.5. But we're gonna go secure some groceries. Also, y'all, check out what I'm driving. Got a little Chevy Camaro. Now, I would never buy one of these personally. I think the view, it's just, everything is obstructed when you drive. But even got a Oklahoma tag on it. But that's what we're driving for the week. Just remembered, I forgot my mask. Get my picture ready. If you want to be in it. Got a little bit of stuff for 68 bucks. Alright, so I don't know if you can see that, but why is my glove yellow? So I just got finished wiping down the whole entire rooms of any spaces that I'll be touching. I won't really be cooking anything, but I wiped down all the counters, door handles, light switches, sink, toilet, all of that. So we're good. So I brought my old meal prep bag from home. So I prepped 8 meals before I left, right? I didn't do the veggies, I just did protein and carbs. So I did ground beef. I did 93.7 ground beef. I have 3 ounces in each container, plus 100 grams of jasmine rice. And I froze them in the freezer overnight so I could bring them on the plane. and they are still cold, still frozen. I spent $68 at the grocery store. I bought 2 bags of broccoli florette. I bought some yogurt for the morning breakfast, forks, spoons. I even bought a tablecloth so I could put it down and then I don't have to worry about it. Even though I wiped it down, I just want it down. We got some carrots for a snack, cantaloupe. I bought 4 of these protein oatmeal cups. They're 220 calories. They are 3 grams of fat, 41 grams of carb, and 10 grams of protein. So I'll have that in the morning along with 1 of these. And each of these is about 12 grams of protein. I'll top off the yogurt with a little bit of protein granola. For a snack, we have the Bull Rettenbacher's microwave smart popcorn. These are mini bags. Each bag is 100 calories. I also got some pre-cut chopped pineapple. I got some pre-cut bell peppers to go into my meals. Of course, we got water. We have a couple of Gatorade Zeros. I'm not going to even microwave these. I'm just going to put them in each of the containers, and then when I microwave it, it'll cook. And then just to make sure I have a little bit more veggies, I'm going to put this in there as well. All right, so there are my 8 meals. Again, it's just 3 ounces of ground beef, 100 grams of jasmine rice, and broccoli and bell peppers. I have lunch and dinner here, and then we are all set to go. Alright, so it's Tuesday morning. We have 2 more days here. It's time for breakfast. And you know what I'm eating? Protein oats. Review on this, not as good as I thought it would be, but I can eat anything. I wouldn't buy these again though. Just won't buy them again. But we're going to have this, and we're going to have some yogurt, pineapple, and some granola.
We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down to the beat, y'all. It's like we're not going anywhere. Maybe it's because there's something in the air. And I don't.
That is my breakfast every day for the past 3 days. I have 2 more mornings here. This is about 350 calories. One more thing I do every day is I take my vitamins. So these are women's vitamins. They have fiber, all that good stuff, and they're gummies. So this is how I get my gummy fix. And these are B12. So for the rest of my pills, I take 3 more pills. Vitamin C, vitamin D, because I was deficient one time really bad, and I had to take like a prescription dose to get back on track. So now I take 5,000 joules, I think it is, every day. And I also take iron. It doesn't matter how many green vegetables I eat, red meat or anything. Seems that I always fall short of my iron requirement, and I'm anemic. Or I have probably a low form of anemia now, hopefully, except for that one time a month, then I'm really anemic. But I take my vitamins every morning along with my food. Now I have 4 minutes to get out of this hotel room and get on the way so I can get to the site where I'm visiting. All right, y'all. See y'all for dinner later on. Alright, what's up y'all? So it's time for dinner. I've been eating pretty much the same thing every single day because I brought my meals from home. It might sound repetitive to some of y'all, but I really enjoy what I've been eating. It's basic, it's simple, but it's good. And that little addition of that sauce I put on top kicks up a notch. Alright, the microwave just beeped. I can smell it. Let's go get our food. And this literally is where I've been eating every day. You love the $2 tablecloth? Man, I ain't taking no chances. I'm just not with it right now with hotel rooms. I'm overly cautious, and I'm kind of a little bit of a germaphobe to a certain extent. Pretty much, probably to a lot. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get to the food. I've been using the sweet and spicy sauce. Again, it has 10 calories per teaspoon. And let me tell you, it really tastes good. It is a little spicy, but boy, does it kick it up a notch. It's not just like adding mustard. It's like, it's really good. All right, so that is the meal. And that's what I've been eating. And I've been enjoying it. Yes, it's the same thing, but I don't care. It's my food that I cooked. A lot of times I'm not satisfied when I eat out, especially when I'm on the road, because I've never tried these places. Then I've already spent money, and then I'm kind of stuck and hungry. So this is the first time in a while that I've traveled that I've been able to have like a kitchen so I could bring food and have a microwave and a big enough freezer to actually store it in. So that's a plus. I'm heading home tomorrow to head back to Austin. And then by the time you see this, I will have already left the next day to go to California. So I will literally be home for about 18 hours. Just enough time to do my laundry, repack my bag, and get back on another plane to California for about 4 days. So I finally won't get home until about Tuesday. So it'll be like a week and a half out on the road. So happy to get home. I've got some more additions I want to do to the gym. I've got some more meal prep ideas that I've been wanting to show you, just haven't had time because I'm always working, traveling. But I'm gonna go ahead and chow down on this, watch a little bit of YouTube. If you're not subscribed to Good Day Sonya, you could be chowing down on your food and watching Good Day Sonya at the same time. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, please. It really does help me out. You know, I'm trying to grow this channel, let more people see it. So if you have friends or if you just want to post it on your social media, go ahead and do so. I'll be much obliged. Not mad if you don't, but very happy if you do. Other than that, you know what I always say. Stay focused, stay positive, and keep it moving. I'll see you the next one. Peace.
So where do we go when everything feels like it just stays the same? Where do we go from here when everything is said and done? This is